Moving on, let's in fact go across to our reporters. We have Ankit, Isha and Dipankar joining us on the broadcast. Let me come to you, Dipankar. What are you picking up at the moment? There are high-level meetings taking place. Earlier, we also saw how the Supreme Court has issued a statement on Delhi blast.
Well, yes, there are high-level meetings taking place. There is an SIT being formed of about 500 personnel who will be conducting the investigation throughout the country. We are currently standing at the Al Falah University, which is being linked with the attacks that had happened, with the blast that had happened, where yesterday only approximately 350 kgs of ammonium nitrate was found along with certain ammunitions and cartridges. And close by to this university, about 4 kilometers away in a room, there was also 2,500 kgs of ammonium nitrate that was found over here. That bust had happened. Currently, we are seeing movements at this university where the Faridabad police along with the NIA are conducting searches over here. So clearly we can say that the agencies that are involved in the investigation are leaving no stones unturned in this entire case. And as you know, there is an SIT, a special investigation team that has been created of more than 500 people, which include officers from the level of constable to the level of special CP, who will be conducting the investigation in this entire incident that has happened, and are going to scrutinize over 1,000 CCTV cameras that have been seized, the footages of that have been seized, and will comb through all the areas. Currently, approximately 800 units are deployed in Faridabad, which are conducting searches at various places in order to find out as to whether there are any further traces of ammonium nitrate or any kind of explosives that are there, or any ammunition that has been there. So clearly, we can say that no stones are being left unturned by the agencies that are involved in the investigation.
The cops, the officials, they are going through the CCTV footage that has come to fore. Before, in fact, I go across to Ankit and Isha, let's take a look at the footages that have come to fore before and after the blast. Now, in this particular visual image, you can see the car before the blast. It has a Haryana number plate, and in this particular visual, the driver of the car. That's a grab from a CCTV that was placed there. Is that individual Dr. Umar or not is something that the agencies are investigating at this point of time. DNA tests are also going to be conducted to ensure, to confirm whether it was Dr. Umar inside the I-20 that was used for the explosion. These are the images that are coming to put. It has a Haryana number plate, the I-20 that was used for explosion near Red Fort, and this is that grab of the driver. The driver who was driving the I-20 in which the explosion took place, and 9 people lost their life. Let's also listen into what the Prime Minister said the moment he reached Bhutan about Delhi blast.
कल शाम दिल्ली में हुई भयावह घटना ने सभी के मन को व्यथित कर दिया है। मैं पीड़ित परिवारों का दुख समझता हूं। आज पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है। मैं कल रात भर इस घटना की जांच में जुटी सभी एजेंसियों के साथ, सभी महत्वपूर्ण लोगों के साथ संपर्क में था, विचार विमर्श चलता था, जानकारियों के तार जोड़े जा रहे थे। हमारी एजेंसियां इस षड्यंत्र की तह तक जाएगी। इसके पीछे के षड्यंत्रकारियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। All those responsible will be brought to justice.
Ankit and Isha are also with us on the broadcast. Let me first quickly go across to Ankit on the developments that are taking place in Jammu Kashmir. We're given to understand that 3 individuals have been picked up for further questioning. 2 of them actually have been brought to Srinagar. Ankit, if you can hear me, go ahead.
Yes, but no stone will be unturned by the security forces and the security agencies regarding this blast. Now, what we are getting to know from our sources is that the Delhi police has shared the CCTV footage of this particular blast with the Jammu and Kashmir police. Jammu and Kashmir police has intensified their search operations. Many are being questioned regarding this case. There has been arrest. There has been a detention of the suspects. Also, what we are getting to know from the sources in Jammu and Kashmir police, there has been a high alert after this blast by the Jammu and Kashmir police, whether it is the hinterland or line of control or on the international borders. From last 2 days, we have seen a massive crackdown by the Jammu and Kashmir police on the terror ecosystem to make today also we have seen how the search operations were carried out by the Jammu and Kashmir police at the sensitive places of the Jammu to make ensure that no anti-national or unlawful activity is being carried out or implemented in this region. The gap which has been filled is the Jammu and Kashmir police, which is probing by them, which is probing and investigating.
All right,
this
Ankit,
case.
Ankit, stay on with us before I go across.